Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Welcome to episode 25, I think it is. It's either 24 or 25 of Geofatboy's Everyday Shave. Today's razor will be the Parker 66R. Here's what it looks like. It's a really nice looking razor. It actually reminds me of the Merkur 38C. It's kind of a barber pole style, as you can see. It's a butterfly razor. All you do is twist the dial at the bottom and it opens up, nice and easy. Simplistic for blade loading. Here's a look at the head. Polished chrome. It tapers from thin to thick, and then it's got knurling and a couple of bands which are diamond chamfered here. More knurling, two more bands, and then the adjustment, or not the adjustment, but the spin knob that opens and closes it down at the bottom here. It's got two little grooves which makes it easier to grip. The very bottom of the handle looks like that. It's got some rings, one ring down at the bottom. As I said, twist to open. Let's drop in a blade. I'll use an Astra blade today. Here's a look at the paper. Here's the blade. Just drop it right over the rail, like so. Tighten it down. Ready to rock and roll with the shave. Today I'll use old school Proraso Menthol and Eucalyptus. Tingling, refreshing, good wake up call in the morning. Let's mix up a lather. Warm up my Shave Nation bowl under the hot water. Crack the cap on the Proraso. Squirt a little bit down at the bottom. Just fill up that lather spot down there. Just like that. And then the brush, Trafalgar there's a T1, there's a T2, and there's a T3. You can see the size differences. I'll go with the T3, the biggest one. Under the hot water, saturate it. Shake out the bulk of the water. Go right in here, see if we can mix a lather. Just swirl those tips down in the bottom. The lather's starting to come up around the sides. Scoop that right back down. Keep swirling. Again, you can see after like 15 seconds, no problem mixing the lather. And you get that wonderful menthol eucalyptus. If you're into the tingles, it's a great smelling shaving cream. Nice and thick, look at that. Plenty of lather for several passes right there. All right, I'll warm up my face. We'll get right to the shave. All right, my face is nice and warm. You can see those red cheeks. Let's grab our brush in our bowl. T3 brush, lather up. There we go, look at that, it's beautiful. Reminds me of an ice cream cone. Start on the right side, work our way over. Nice thick cream, easy to lather, easy to brush on. Drive it right into the beard. I did have a couple days beard growth, so that's what's normally required for the everyday shave. Little figure eight, smooth everything out. Set the brush down. Swipe the lips, neck, and clear the runways so we can see our sideburns. All right, here we go. Wet fingers. No problem gripping this. The knurling is pretty pronounced. And then these diamond chamfered bands also aid in grip. We'll go cold water today. Cold water shave. Make sure it's tightened down all the way. Start on the right side. A little more aggressive than I thought it would be. and some good audible feedback. You can hear that working. Flip it over. Very nice. Rinse, cold water. Rinses out pretty easily. Left side. Flip it. Just let the weight of the razor do the work. This is a pretty hefty razor. Rinse. Mustache area. Beautiful. Rinse that. Quick rinse to the face. Let's grab our brush and our bowl and re-lather. Figure eight. The Zen moment of the shave right here. Feels great. Nice and cool with the eucalyptus and menthol. And the bulk of the beard being removed. Swipe. Swipe. Clear the runways again. Alright, we'll go across the grain this time. Nice and smooth. Rinse. Against the grain on the neck. Rinse. Across the mustache. First use the tip on an angle, clean that area under the nose, and then lay it flat. Rinse. Rinse the face. Feel around. If your baby's smooth, you can stop right here. I feel really good right here, but let's do the cheeks real quick. Just a light coating on the cheeks will get them extra baby smooth. This is the skim coat, the skim pass. Don't scrape, but skim. Other side. Excellent. Very nice. Okay, rinse. A final cold water rinse. That feels great. That cold water on the bare skin, freshly shaven skin. After that menthol and eucalyptus, what a tingle. Let's take our Shave Nation Wide Stick Alum Block, remove the cap, under the cold water. Just glide that all around the areas you shaved. Seal off any little nicks or weepers if you got any. Tighten the skin. Excellent finish to the shave. Let that soak in for 30 seconds. Rinse it off. Pat the face dry. Let's finish it off with Proraso Menthol and Eucalyptus Aftershave Balm. Nice and refreshing, cooling, calming for the skin. Layers right up with that shaving cream. Massage that into the fingertips, right on the skin. Forehead. Fold your towel, give it a quick barber dry. Oh, that feels great. Tingling, cooling, refreshing. Excellent finish to the shave right there. All right, the razor, the Parker 66R. The specs on this razor, it weighs in at 4 ounces or 113 grams. The overall length from top to bottom is 3.8 inches or 97 millimeters. Pretty hefty, drops right in the palm, no problem spinning, very comfortable to shave with. Geofatboy's aggression scale, I'm going to give this razor a 6. It's actually more aggressive than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be milder, but I had a quick 2.5 passes, removed my 2-day beard growth, no problem, baby smooth, excellent shave provided by this razor. It looks good, feels good in the hand, easy to grip, and it's hefty as well. Let's hear what they have to say about it. The Parker 66R is a heavyweight safety razor with the world famous Parker twist to open head for a close, comfortable shave. Twisting the knob on the bottom of the razor will open the butterfly doors for blade insertion. This beautifully designed knurled chrome plated all brass razor is a smooth shaver with an excellent non-slip grip. Parker Safety Razor has been making the highest quality precision engineered safety razors for over 45 years. Razor type, butterfly open razor. Handle material, genuine brass frame, chrome plated. If you buy it at Shave Nation, it includes a 5-pack of Parker DE blades. By the way, I think I'm getting close to having a shave review with just about every Parker razor there is. I might have a few more, less than 10, 5, 6, something like that. So if you're interested in any of the Parker razors, just check out the website, shavenation.com. You can see that particular razor in action, most likely. There's a couple I haven't gotten to yet, but I'll get to those as well. It'd be great if I could have a review for every single razor on the website. That way you can see everyone in action before you buy. Do me a favor before I head out. Like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. I greatly appreciate that. If you want to pick up any of these items, just click down below the video where it says show more, or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box, it'll pop right up. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.